Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So Sam shipped us up his bike from Georgia for the third time. A few years back, we had done an upgrade for him. Then I think last year he shipped it up for some upgrades and tweaks. And then this year he shipped it up once again. This time he wanted more bass. So the bike originally started with 2/8 in each saddlebag, mid bass. This time we rebuilt the bags, re-fiberglassed them, reinforced them. We took out the 8s and we went with NVS Audio 10, sealed imported. Alberto, our body guy at High Tech Collision, did a great job of the bags. We sealed them back up, closed up the 8-inch holes, did a 10-inch hole, molded the ring in. He did a really great job. These bags look factory. Very, very nice job. And the bike sounds really good. So we kept all the Beyma speakers in the front. We upgraded. He had the older Sound Digital 800s. We upgraded to the newer Sound Digital amps. We upgraded his DSP to an HKI Mini. Then he had the older 3000. We went with the new Evo X2 3000.1. And that was it. He already had a Braille lithium battery, he already had 0 gauge wiring, already had upgraded grounds. So we kept the speakers, switched out the mid-bass drivers, sealed, imported the bags, went from 8s, double 8s to 10s, sealed, imported it, and the bike sounds phenomenal. Check out the build.
Yeah, okay.
We've been getting way too loud. Oh, the neighbors been telling us we gotta keep it down. I've been out here getting these decibels. And when I get home, got you making decibels. I like you in the red. When I put that ass to bed, oh, you gon' get us kicked out with that money. Feeling low on the door this morning, saying that you've been keeping the baby up. Sound like a house on a maniac. Is everything okay? Of rejection. If you're with me, I'm secure. You keep telling me that you.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me. I'm about to let my heart speak. My friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's let's get down to business. Back and forth with the bullshit. I know I said it before, I don't mean it. It's been a while since I had